Thank you, Sigoa, for that. Now, the Uganda National Association of Builders, Suppliers, Engineering and Contractors has attributed the failure of local providers to compete in the international oil and gas market to limited skills and inadequate preparedness. Now, the revelation was made during a stakeholders meeting held in Kampala, where participants convened to discuss strategies to overcome these barriers. Let's take a look at this as well.
We need to take advantage of the value chain. If you realize that this tender is really of high value and I may not be able to do it, find out how can I be a tier 1 or a tier 2 contractor, or even tier 3. What part of this work package can I contribute to?
Some of the issues we've seen that limit local providers, let me open and not just say contractors, but local providers from effectively competing in the oil and gas sector is that it's a very stringent sector. It's highly controlled and the standards are very high, the compliances are very high. So many times you see that the local providers, they begin to lose out because they are not very well prepared, they are not very well trained, they are not well organized, they fail on the compliances on many levels. So dialogue, training is important, constant interaction with the stakeholders to know exactly what is required so that the companies are better prepared is important. And so today was the beginning of this conversation, at least at the level of UNAPSEC, to see that our members know what is expected of them, they know what is required of them, they are taken through how they can prepare winning bids specific in the oil and gas sector. So it's not that there are no opportunities, it's that many times the local providers are not properly positioned and prepared to be able to maximize the opportunities in the oil and gas sector.
And the message from the Permanent Secretary was very clear to encourage the associations bring together all members through information flow, clear information flow with support from the different government organizations. Skilling was a very key aspect that the PS pointed out because the industry is really competitive and it's moving so fast. Then also putting together modern equipment. There's a lot of technological advancement in the oil and gas sector, so that was also another key aspect that the Permanent Secretary pointed out. And also financial discipline, because it's a business, you need to understand how to move your finances. You need to do a business model that is very outstanding in the sector. It's very competitive. You are dealing with very many global players, so you have to be at your highest point in competition.